The fallout over the near arrest of Lions wide receiver Jameson Williams tops our newscast tonight.
It has been 24 hours since the 7 investigators first broke the story that sent shockwaves through the Lions fan base and the NFL. Hundreds of thousands of people reading the story on WXYZ.com. Hundreds more commenting on our Facebook page after Williams was nearly taken to jail earlier this month, after police say he was caught with a concealed handgun during a traffic stop.
As we first reported last night, Detroit Police Internal Affairs is looking into why he was let go. Tonight, we're hearing from Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy, Police Chief James White, and Lions head coach Dan Campbell.
Here's 7 investigator Ross Jones with more.
He might have to go, and any of you guys ever do Lions player? Oh no.
When a sergeant arrived at the corner of Connor and Jefferson Avenue earlier this month, he knew Detroit officers were dealing with a VIP. Wide receiver Jameson Williams was in the passenger seat. His brother was driving the car. They'd been stopped for speeding. In the vehicle, police said, were 2 firearms, one registered to Williams' brother, who had a concealed pistol license, and the other, registered to Williams, found under his seat. The NFL star did not have a CPL, so the officer said he would be arrested.
Am I going to be out by the morning? Huh?
You have to see a judge.
In the morning?
It could be in the morning.
So oh my God.
But Williams didn't end up going to jail. After a sergeant came to the scene and spoke to higher-ups in the department, it was decided that Williams did not need to be arrested. The cuffs were taken off, his gun was returned, no warrant was sent to the prosecutor.
Looking at the facts of the case, I'm pulled over, I have a gun underneath my seat, I don't have a license, I am getting charged. In fact, I am going to jail that night.
Criminal defense attorney Anjali Prasad defends citizens charged with carrying a concealed weapon, and she used to prosecute them. For 15 years, she worked for the Philadelphia District Attorney, then spent 4 years at the U.S. Attorney's Office in Detroit.
In Michigan, you need a CPL. You need a license to carry a concealed pistol. And I got to tell you, it's not that hard to get.
Getting a CPL requires an applicant to go through training in gun safety, along with a background check. Prasad says it's a simple but important process.
What happens if there's a car accident and it gets hostile? Or what happens if there's road rage? I think the idea is, citizens, show us that you're responsible. Take this extra step, because then we could feel a little better as a state that you're driving around with your gun.
The average Detroiter would have been arrested. Detroit police officers arrest people with guns every day. They do fine work. This situation is different.
Detroit Police Commissioner Ricardo Moore helps oversee DPD. He's pleased the department launched an internal investigation into the stop and has since submitted a warrant request to the Wayne County prosecutor for carrying a concealed weapon in a motor vehicle.
I would hope there's discipline involved, but I'm going to be realistic. I don't think anything will happen.
Charges are far from a certainty in this case, and today Prosecutor Kim Worthy and Chief James White were each asked about it.
We just received that warrant request, and so we have to look at it and treat that as we do any other case, as far as looking at it and see if we can charge, and if we can charge, what we will charge. We just don't know at this point.
There are instances where the officer's actions would have lined up perfectly. There are some that didn't, but I don't know enough to really give you an informed comment yet until our internal affairs looks at it.
Well, Williams attorney Todd Flood says he believes the pistol license belonging to Williams' brother would apply to the wide receiver's gun as well, and therefore it was legal for Williams to have the gun in the car. We have also learned that as DPD conducts its internal investigation, they asked for and received Williams' gun as part of their review. The NFL released a statement today saying the Lions notified the league about the Williams incident. They will have no further comment.
I know a lot of people are fired up about this story, Ross, but you always do good work for us.
The story, I mean, to be clear, Jameson Williams is at the center of it. This is a story about DPD and how they handled something with a VIP, whether it was him, the mayor. That's what we're looking at here.
We know you do, and always. Thank you.